In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a OneDrive account in Windows 10. Let's dive right in and walk through this simple and efficient process. First, you'll want to locate the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. This icon resembles a blue cloud and is usually situated in the bottom right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon is your gateway to beginning the OneDrive setup process and making your cloud storage journey a breeze. Once you've clicked the icon, you'll likely be presented with options to sign in or get started. If this is your first time using OneDrive on this computer, go ahead and hit Get Started. This button will lead you directly into the sign-in process. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. It's simple and straightforward, so no worries if you're new to this step. If you already have an email and password associated with Microsoft services, now's the time to enter those credentials and hit the Sign In button. However, if you don't have a Microsoft account yet, there's no need to worry. Right there, you'll find a link labeled Create One. Just click on that link and follow the straightforward steps provided. It's a quick process, requiring only a bit of basic information to get you set up. Once you've signed in or completed creating your account, you'll be guided through various prompts to finish setting everything up. These steps might include choosing which folders you'd like to sync or setting up your storage preferences. Be sure to go through each of these steps carefully. By doing so, you'll ensure a smoother experience as you work with OneDrive on your Windows 10 system. With all the setup steps carefully completed, you'll be fully signed in and ready to start using OneDrive. Now comes the fun part: syncing your OneDrive to your computer. Once you're all set up and signed in, the OneDrive folder becomes seamlessly integrated into your File Explorer. This means any files saved in this folder are automatically uploaded to the cloud, making them accessible from other devices effortlessly. You can now start saving your documents, photos, and other files in the OneDrive folder on your computer, keeping them safe and accessible no matter where you are. To sum up, setting up OneDrive on your Windows 10 computer is a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes and provides immense benefits. It enhances your productivity and ensures the safety of your files with seamless cloud storage. There you have it, your OneDrive is ready to keep your digital world organized and connected. Enjoy the convenience of having your files just a click away, wherever you go.